Hello and welcome to another one of our product reviews. So today we're going to be reviewing some window privacy film sticker. It's made by a company called HXSS. It's available from Amazon on a roll. So obviously you can see we've fitted a bit already. So if you're thinking about buying this is what you can expect.
Obviously that's the one with it on. Then if you look through there, you can clearly see a roof line and you can see through this window. So,
but the window is frosted already, but we just wanted to add a little bit more to it.
These days with new double glazing, various privacy frosting glasses you can get. This is no window, you just want to give some more privacy. So bought the film, cut it to size, and on top of the film there's a protective film on top of the frosting. Yeah, before you fit it to the window, just get that ready to go. It's that side where the film comes off, goes onto the window like that. So what you need, right, a pair of scissors to cut it, or a knife. Something to clean your window with. It could be just a rag, doesn't have to be this. I used a scraper and wet the window. Make sure it's really clean, that's a trick, get it really clean. You can buy these I think they're like a spreader, an applicator, and there's a bit of the blue and there's a bit of black felt on. But what I've always tend to use is one of these. It's for body work. It's an old one and a clean microfiber cloth. This has two uses, you'll see in a minute. Before you put it on, window must be very clean, and then you literally spray some soapy water, yeah, over your window like that. And how much goes on there, more the better. A little bit confined space in there. You take your film, and remember it's the side where the protective film comes off. I tend to just pull mine right off. It's easier instead of messing about. So approximately position it. As long as it's covering the edges there, it's fine. With the spreader and your J cloth, just tuck it round there, and it says, and it always does say, get rid of the water as much as you can. Just get it down. I must say this stuff is so easy to apply. Just get rid of most of it. Yeah. Just in the corners where you've got a little bit there, there. Slice that so it sits in. And then what you do is taking your microfiber cloth back off, push this to the edge there. I won't do it all the way down, I'll just show you a little bit. That way, I'll just cut that away for a minute at the top there. I don't want to bore people. But if you look there, you've got a really neat finish, and I achieved that by pushing that so the black rubber is visible on the UPVC and just gliding down with a Stanley blade or Stanley knife. When you've done all your edges, just go back over, and like there you've got water, just push it out. Literally, it is real easy with this stuff. This is ideal if you're in a rental property as well, because there's no adhesive, it just sticks to the window itself. So remember, very clean window, spend some time cleaning that window, even the corners. Soapy water in a spray bottle, could be an old bottle you've used for something. Even if you do use an applicator, just get hold of some of these, they're cheap as chips. They're using cardboardy repairs, they're spreaders. And it's so thin there, you just get right up to it there and just literally come down with your, and literally this is what I did with this. Let me just show you. I started at the top, I had my knife there, I literally ran down it like that, and that's how I got that really neat finish. For the product itself, it's heavy duty, it's quite thick. You can tell it's a quality product. I'd give it 10 out of 10. Delivery was excellent. It does what it says on the tin. literally you can't see anything through here. I mean, you can see there and you can see there. Look at the difference. Yeah.
Just gives you that sort of extra privacy.
Yeah.
We'll have a blind up here, but you know.
It's just if the blind is
in
up
a
during the
bathroom,
day,
that's all.
bit of daylight and that, and if you're close to other properties. So, yeah, like I say, ideal for rental properties, any window. It doesn't have to just be a bathroom. You could even go halfway up if you're on the main road and use it. Cut it nice and straight. Because it's nice thick material, it cuts nice as well. Anyway, that's how we do it. Not saying everybody does it this way, but if you're looking for some frosted material to give a bit of privacy, we've used other stuff with D on before. I'd say this is probably the better stuff. Hope that helps somebody.